Assalamualaikum and good evening. Today, I want to explain or present experiment about the smoke detector. In this micro C, we use a smoke detector microcontroller PIC 16F77877A and the 2 times 16 character LCD. In the question, the switch to used to um, turn off the alarm, and the switch one is the sensor. So this is the program. First thing first, I write the this presetting over here: pragma config FOSC WTE PRWTE boron LVP and the frequency. Then I write the coding for the LCD. So this is the port using is all port D as an output data control, and the icon is written to turn on the LCD. The unsigned character for is fire, and the unsigned character for B is alarm off. If switch 1 is pushed, the display will on the display it will appear the fire this thing, and if the switch 2 is pressed, the alarm off will appear on the LCD. The fire will appear from the mid of the LCD, then it will turn to the right and to the left. This setting is written to return the center, and this setting is used to move to the right. The delay used is 250 millisecond. And if switch 2 is pressed, the LCD will appears the alarm off. Then I will test this code. First thing, I need to build main project. And the project is built successful, means there is no error in the coding. If I push the RB1 or the smoke detector, the fire will appear on the LCD, means the sensor is there is a smoke on the sensor. There is a smoke detected by the sensor. And to turn off this LCD or the sensor, I need to push the RB2, and the alarm off will appear on the LCD. That's all from me. Thank you.